Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More and I am back with August Weight Loss Challenge. This is one of the most requested challenges of all the seasons because August challenge means we need to lose almost 9 kgs in this August to help you achieve your festive body goals. Yes, festive season is around the corners and recently my lots of clients asked me to diet plan where they can achieve 9 to 10 kgs of weight loss in just 30 days to see the transformation before the festive season happening. And here are the transformations as you can see on the screen. The results have been amazingly well and you can start now your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. If you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number which is 6284306222. Or you can go to the description box below, you'll see a link down there. Click the link and you'll reach directly to me on WhatsApp and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. So without any delay, let's get started with August Weight Loss Challenge to help you lose 9 kgs in 30 days very easily. Starting with the rules of our August Weight Loss Challenge. The first rule is, of course, we'll be following intermittent fasting in this challenge as well. Clients have been seeing amazing results with intermittent fasting and yes, they're not starving at all. They are seeing weight loss oriented results at the same time, major skin benefits as well. And we'll be following 16:8 ratio, 16 hours of fasting window and 8 hours of eating window. You can always extend this window by 18:6 as well as per your own comfortability. But if you're starting new, then always go with this window. 16:8 works amazingly well for weight loss, no starvation and helping you with your fasting period as well. I'll be giving you of course lots and lots of options for every meal of yours. We'll be eating for 8 hours. So the eating window will be 12:8 pm. So 12 pm we start with our eating window and end it at 8 pm. Then we continue with our fasting period of 16 hours. So let's start with the diet plan. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll be having of course during our fasting period the early morning drink. Now of course it's monsoon season, it's August there, so definitely we need to make sure that we are having something which is boosting our immunity as well. I'll be giving you 2 options out there. The first option is my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients because this drink has proven results for my acne patients as well. So all you have to do is simply boil 1.5 cups of water, add methi seeds to this, at the same time add neem leaves as well. This helps to purify your skin from within and at the same time build your red blood cells as well. So make sure to have this on alternate days to see the magic happening. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can simply have summer anti-inflammatory drink. All I've done here is in a glass of warm water, I'm adding half a squeezed lemon, freshly grated amba haldi, or you can even call it as simple haldi powder as well, black pepper powder to activate the haldi and simply mixing it and having it empty stomach. See the transformation happening yourselves after having this drink for your early morning drink. The anti-inflammatory benefits are tremendous with this drink. And now we proceed towards our 10 am drink. Now if you feel hunger pangs happening during this time, always have simple black coffee, black tea, peppermint tea, green tea or chamomile tea to see the weight loss happening and also to have a caffeine rush if you feel the need for it. So you can have these options for your 10 am drink. And now we proceed towards our eating window time. At 12 pm we start our eating window and I always recommend my clients to start their eating window with a fruit. It can be any fruit of your own choice. Vitamin C fruits works amazingly well for skin benefits. So you can always have one guava, one orange or you can always have few grapes as well. If not possible, then you can simply have a smoothie. I've shared lots and lots of smoothie recipes on my channel. Grab any smoothie of your own choice, make it and have it for your 12 pm drink. Start with your fruit. And now we proceed towards our simple and very quick to prepare lunch options. At 1 pm or 1:30 pm you start with your solid meal, for which I'll be giving you 3 options out there. And hence the first option is paneer biryani, loved by all of my clients, super easy to prepare and very minimal ingredients. You can see the complete recipe here shared. I use very minimal ingredients. I don't use lots and lots of vegetables to this. You can always add as per your own choice and enjoy almost 200 to 50 grams of this biryani along with yogurt, raita, salad or any kind of salad and works amazingly well for weight loss because it's high in protein and of course satiates your rice cravings as well. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can always have simple and easy to prepare my personal favorite moong dal taco. Now what I've done here is I'm simply taking whole moong dal. Now this is green moong dal. You can use yellow as per your own choice. Simply soaking it for almost 5 to 6 hours. Now I'm simply blending it in a blender with some green chilies and ginger, making a paste out of it and simply pouring it in a pan. For the filling, I'm preparing a high protein filling with of course beetroot, grated carrot and of course paneer, adding salt and black pepper powder and mixing it all together and of course stuffing it in the chila. Now basically this becomes like a taco or a wrap and tastes super yum, super delicious. You can have it with mint chutney or coconut chutney as per your own choice and make it as a wholesome meal of yours. You can have almost 3 of these tacos and satiate your hunger pangs greatly. And third option is for all of those who are basically non-vegetarians or want to have some vegetarian diet. Now all you can have is simply prepare egg bhurji of almost 3 whole eggs and have it along with 2 toasts or 1 or 2 oats roti. You can also have ragi roti, jaw roti or jawar roti in place of it, but oats roti does the best for weight loss. So you can have this option along with your raita and salad to satiate your hunger pangs and fulfill your probiotic and salad component as well. So make sure you have any of these 3 options for your meals for your 2 p.m. lunch meal. And now we proceed towards our simple and quick to prepare mid-evening snack option. If you do feel hunger pangs happening during 4 to 5 p.m., you can always have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea or a cup of tea or coffee if you like it so, but no sugar to it at all of any kind. Simply have it along with 30 grams of roasted makhana, but make sure you simply roast the makhanas in a little bit of ghee and black pepper powder, no salt over it of any kind. You can always have in place of this 20 grams of roasted chana as well or 20 grams of roasted peanuts, but no salt into any of these snacks. And now we proceed towards our simple and very fulfilling dinner option, which will be the last meal of this diet plan. For dinner, you can have dinner by 7 to 8 p.m. but make sure you do not do later than that because this is our eating window time, for which I'll be giving you 3 options again. The first option is my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients. If you like having sandwiches and are a sandwich paglu, you can always have simple and very easy to prepare no bread sandwich. I've shared the 2 recipes out of it. First is of course with the besan batter and second is with the moong dal chila batter. My clients love having it with the moong dal chila batter because I stuff it with paneer bhurji, satiates your hunger pangs, of course helps you with weight loss and also gives you no cravings as well. So you can follow the complete recipe shared. All I've done here is in a toaster I'm adding moong dal batter 1 layer, pouring in with paneer bhurji. You can always simply use great normal paneer as well. Along with that, overlapping it again with the moong dal batter. And you can see your healthy and weight loss oriented sandwich is ready in no time. Tastes super yum, crispy in nature and works amazingly well for weight loss. So do try out these options for your dinner. And the second option is, of course, if you cannot have this, you can simply have my personal favorite, which gives you good weight loss no matter what happens, and you start seeing fat loss happening with this particular meal as well, which is oatmeal with fruit. Now what I've done here is simply in a pan I'm roasting oats. These are normal rolled oats. You can use any of your own choice. Simply roasting it for 2 to 3 minutes, adding a little water to this for to build up the consistency, then pouring it in the milk. I'm using here animal milk. You can use any of your own choice. Transferring it in a bowl, topping it up with lots and lots of fruit options of your own choice and seeds of course and honey to make it more yummier. And have it for your dinner and see the magic happening of weight loss because it is a no salt dinner and always helps you with your water retention and swelling or bloating of any kind. Third option is for all of those who want to have something yummy and again weight loss oriented. For you the option would be to have either paneer tikka or soya tikka or chicken tikka as per your own choice. My clients love having paneer tikka. All I've done here is add lots and lots of vegetables to your paneer tikka, be it bell peppers, capsicum, broccoli as per your own choice, and of course paneer you can always replace with tofu as well, or you can always replace it with chicken and soya as well as per your own choice, and make yourself a high protein weight loss oriented dinner. And now we proceed towards our bedtime drink option, which comes in our fasting window, and of course it has to be something which helps you lower your cortisol levels of the entire day and also helps you with insomnia as well. Recently my lots of clients have seen amazing results with your sleep benefits and as well as to help with your hormonal imbalances and of course to lower the cortisol levels also. I am talking about 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Start having this drink and see the magic yourself. If you cannot have this, you can simply have ajwain jeera water before going to bed to help you reduce any kind of inflammation of the entire day and also help you with your cortisol levels as well. So do try out these options for your bedtime drink. And of course, if you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222, or you can go to the description box below. You'll see a link down there. Click the link and you'll reach directly to my WhatsApp and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. And you can now always join my fast track weight loss challenge in which we help you to lose almost 15 kg in 60 days or 25 kilos in 4 months. The transformations have been crazily amazing and of course the results are sustainable and of course quick as well. WhatsApp me to know more. If you like my video, please like button, comment below if you have any query on any diet plans or meal recipes and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubts and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.